It's right in my base. Why? I hate this. God, that happens so much. I hate it. This happens so... It's always when I'm streaming. It always happens. Thankfully, it wasn't a very big flash storm. It's rather small. Yeah, it was raining for like 6 days straight, and then a flash storm happens, and rain's nowhere to be found. That's a fucking classic. It's alright. The three of them should be able to get it all put out nice and well. And it's burning up that way, so it's not that big of a deal. Door. And we'll call that good enough for now. We got a rabbit. I mean... Oh, wait a minute. I almost forgot. There was something I wanted to change. I noticed that a little bit of my screen is a little off, and I don't know if that was bugging anybody else yesterday, but I'm upset that I didn't notice. There we go. That looks a million times better.